we are introducing our new experiment. Its name is Fire Protect. It will detect the fire in sensor and extinguish it. Now the devices are
used in Arduino, Bluetooth receiver, motor receiver, and GT power battery 12 watt. And this controlled from the mobile device, the Arduino panel for using that. The sensor sends the fire from anywhere. The sensor power the board and go to there. The Arduino is the main power switch that is controlled from anywhere. The car will go to there and extinguish the fire.
It is our little science project. Thank you.